Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to check your SSC CGL exam city intimation. This is a crucial step before your examination. You'll need to visit the Staff Selection Commission's regional website that corresponds to your application. Make sure you have your registration number and date of birth ready, as these are essential for logging in. Remember, this intimation slip is just for your city and date. It is not your final admit card. First, it's important to know which SSC region you fall under. This is determined by the address you provided during your application. Head over to the main Staff Selection Commission website, where you'll find links to all the regional portals. Once on your regional site, look for a section typically labeled Candidate Status or Admit Card Status to proceed with checking your intimation. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. And on another note, just like preparing for an exam, comfort is key. Life's too short for cheap socks, so I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They come with a lifetime warranty and are incredibly comfortable. You can find the link to grab your own pair, along with other deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After locating the correct regional portal, you will be prompted to enter your registration ID and your date of birth. Double-check that all the information you enter is accurate to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, your exam city intimation slip will be displayed. It's highly recommended to download and print a copy of this slip. Keep it safe, as it contains vital information about your upcoming exam location.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.